Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechMade Unique, and today we're going to see how to add or how to insert a numbering points on your WPS presentation on your mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add our numbering points in your WPS presentation mobile phone, I'm just going to show. So first of all, I'm just going to add a text box here. Then here I'm just going to type as some we just want to have numbering this points. So you just need to click on this icon option, and now it will open the home section, and here just scroll down and you will see an option here on the bottom section, and click on the three dot option. Now you will see a two option on bullets and numberings. You just need to click on the numbering option. So this is the numbering that if you just need to have the full, you just click on everything and just add this numbering. So you can see there is 7 types of numbering, Roman numbers or ABCD with the comma and dots like that. And the first number is actually a normal numbering option style. This is how you just numbering some points on your WPS presentation mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.